In this video, I will show you how to change a folder icon on Mac. So right here you have the default one. Now if you want to go and change this, it's fairly simple. Just go and right click on it and click on Get Info. Then from there what you need to do is copy whichever icon or image you want to change it to. To do that, just open up a browser, search for whatever you want to change it to. So for example, I can change it to this one. Then what you want to do is just right click on the image you want to change it to and click on copy image. Then you can go and close this. And now from there, click on the folder icon right here in the top left so that it has the blue bar around it. And then what you want to do is on your keyboard, go and click on Command V, and then you will see it now gets changed and you can now close this right here. You can now see that I now have the pink folder, but you can also do an image or really anything else that you would like to change it to. So that's how to change a folder icon on Mac. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.